Hello and welcome to another video. I'm playing Animal Company for the second time on this. Damn. I'm pretty sure you need to go to app chat though. Yeah.
Hi!
Alright, there we go. I'm playing Animal Company. I haven't played at all ever since that incident that I don't like to talk about.
No! Unlikable!
What is that?
Guy.
What is that?
Look at
What is
fatty.
that? What is
Look at
that?
that fatty! Look at that fatty over there. The fatty! That's aka the giant.
Is he aggressive?
Yes! See, I'm gonna bring him, my little fatty! Get your fatty over here! Fatty! What?
Fatty's over.
What behind?
Oh, he picked up a
Oh,
rock.
never mind.
Oh, he picked up a whole rock.
They not usual.
Hey, you weren't
That's
lying when you said that was a
Star
giant, bro. What is that?
Come here!
Can you kill
Come here,
him?
goddammit!
Can you
Yes!
kill him? How?
By using weapons!
I'm broke. I only have 55 cents.
Alright, let me buy you something.
Or 55 gold.
Alright, score flashlight! Come here.
Oh, what? Whoa.
Yeah, it's to put a close-up damage.
Like.
Come on!
Oh, alright, we going, bro. We're gonna slay this creature.
Yo, don't hit me!
Oh, my bad. I forgot we're in PvP.
Alright, come
Here you go,
on!
bird.
Oh, don't get the birds.
Oh.
Alright, what's a giant? Found him! Onward! Hi.
Attack him.
I can get him! Help! Help! Hi, they
hell
got a
no.
wall!
Watch out. Oh, hell no, man. That man got 200 pumped. That man got 200 pumped. Nah, he got 200 pumped. My boy got 200 pumped. Nah. Where'd he go? Bro, you got 200 pumped.
What the hell up? I got a long range. Let's this man down!
You got 200 pumped, bro.
Come on, get some close up range. He's got a wall!
Take cover.
Yeah, what is it? He can grab you.
I'm poking him though. Poking him with
Yeah,
too
do
close.
it. Poke him.
Yo, I'm dead. I'm live.
Alright, come on, hold on. I'll put my stick. Where the hell can this guy even be?
Yo, take cover.
Yeah,
Take
I
cover.
missed. Yeah, they call me a hog guy.
You're not hot guy, bro. Are these little
I
birds
am
even
a-
aggressive?
Oh no, when it gets dark, it is to get aggressive.
Oh. Oh, he died.
Yes! Got a flash.
That's cool.
Alright, hold
What
on.
was that though?
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe that added queso to the game. Come here, you bird.
Oh yeah, I have a limited edition backpack. It has like a limited item.
We got chicken.
I need to. Hold on. I need that. I really need that.
You got chicken.
Dude, it's not even funny. I need a limited edition backpack.
Ow.
Sorry. Alright, let's go hunting! I need a pie. I need a pie.
Hunted.
Hold on, I need a pie. Alright, let me know when it brings pie. I need pie.
Let him kill them all.
Really acting with-
Come here, boy.
Yeah, let's bring him.
It's hunting season.
Make him extinct. Oh yeah, God, I have
My boy, it's literally hunting season. Stop running. Damn.
Giant! What be like? What is it?
What?
The giant's coming! Dog, I just look behind me.
Bro, I just hear you running to me, bro. What is this dude doing back here?
I missed.
I hit him once.
Yeah, me too. Come on. Take this man down.
Hey man, I'm doing my best.
Wait, come on, dog. Make this man beat to a pulp.
Oh, damn.
But I got two in the pulp. But I got two. I got him for you.
I appreciate it. Bro, I just got 200 from my freaking golem, bro. Not a golem, a troll. That is devious. Where'd my stuff go? Where did he go? Chicken. Gun. Crowbar. Where did my brother go, bro? Oh, there's my weapon. Here, chicken.
What did he drop? What did he drop? Come on, we need to work together. Become caveman. Become one man.
Bro.
Oh, turkey. Hey, but you want to know something? Look, look.
Oh, hell no, bro. He's back!
Yeah,
He's back! He's back!
Come on! Ah, hold on. Oh yeah, his weakness is turkeys. What are you doing to me?
Yo, help!
Yeah, I'm trying to help. We got 200 pump, we got 200 pump.
Bro, what the hell?
Nah,
just
I
happened?
did tripping.
What the hell just happened? He just casually picked me up. And threw me, bro. That man ragdolled me. Nah, that's mad disrespectful. Oh, I just witnessed that. Oh Lord, I just witnessed that. I'm sorry. Yo, I'm sorry. Please. Please. Yo, where are you?
I found it.
Hey,
did not
don't
lose my
shut
backpack.
boulders at him. What is that?
Oh, don't got that. Hold on.
Yeah.
Come here. Alright, look. When it respawns back, be careful. Let me look. Hold on. It's necessarily Lobo. Go. Touch it.
What?
Touch it. It just give us a warning. Touch it. Actually, like, just no. Touch you if you like your body. Touch it. Did trip it.
I hate you. Alright, chat. Huh? We're gonna kill that. What is that? Oh. He's back.
Dude, where did your pumpkin go?
Yo, leave me alone. Please, leave me alone. Yo, please. Oh, damn, bruh. You missed.
Wait a minute, I have something.
Why are you so ugly, bruh? What does that do?
It stuns him. Shit, he's done.
Oh shit, hit him.
Oh yeah, what is it? No, he got me. Help!
You idiot. No. He got cooked. Got him. My boy got cooked.
Oh, come here. I got a grenade.
What you get for killing me?
Huh? I'm gonna get it!
Oh shit. Hey, Sam. Alright, chat. I think this is where I'm gonna end the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh, where did my backpack go?